Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring up of the latest tensions been heating up between North Korea and South Korea, and the ongoing tensions between North Korea versus South Korea, Japan, and the United States. Of the recent military exercise drills took a couple of days ago between South Korea, Japan, and the United States. And a day later, I will say this is a latest news article. What's it from again? I believe it's from, but I forgot what news article, what it was covered from. But I'm going to just read the headline of the title of this news article as of January 19, 2024. Oh, yeah, it's from CNN. Okay. From Brad Lyndon and Godwin Bay from CNN as of January 19, 2024 at 12:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it reads, North Korea claims to test underwater nuclear capability drone after U.S., South Korea, and Japan shows off Navy might. North Korea on Friday claimed it had successfully tested a underwater nuclear weapon system earlier this week in a response to the naval drills by the United States, South Korea, and Japan. It says, according to North Korea state media, its military conducted a new test of its underwater nuclear capability drone, the Heli, in the waters of the southern end of the peninsula in response to what is described as a frantic and proactive U.S. allied military exercise. It says, followed tests of the Heli system last year, North Korean state media said it could carry a nuclear warhead that could create a radioactive tsunami, though analysts at the time said Pyongyang offered no proof. North Korea state media on Friday did not show evidence for the success of the latest test, but warned the U.S., South Korea, and Japan of the catastrophic consequences of their actions. It says the armed forces of North Korea will strike horror into their hearts, though responsible prompts a bold exercise of its deterrence, said the Korean Central News Agency. The U.S.-led trilateral Navy exercise, which includes aircraft carrier USS Carol Vinson, Japanese helicopter carrier JX Hungjai, and guided missile-equipped surface ships from the three partners were conducted to advance the deterrence and response capability to North Korea's nuclear missile and underwater threats, the South Korean Joint Chief of Staff says. Okay, this is the book of Salakia. Let's see. This is the book of 2nd Esdras 15 and verse 16. For there shall be sedition among men, right? North Korea versus South Korea, then North Korea versus South Korea, Japan, the United States. So those back and forth escalations and rising tensions and seditions, that's what we're seeing, especially over there in the Korean Peninsula. And this is 2nd Esdras 15 verse 16. For there shall be sedition among men, invading one another. They shall not regard their kings nor their princes, in the course of their actions shall stand in their power. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from CNN as of January 19, 2024. And it reads, North Korea claims to test a underwater nuclear capability drone after U.S., South Korea, and Japan shows off Navy might. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, until next time, I will say Shalom.